so much for tuning in. I haven't warmed up to this cold weather yet, so we are back in the classroom today for your forecast. Let's take a look at your surface analysis map. You'll see the high pressure centered over the eastern coastline. That's bringing in cool, calm, and dry conditions to the northeast. It is a bit chilly still. You'll see that there's a frontal system just streeping into New York from a pressure system centered over Canada. That's bringing snow into areas where they really don't need to see more snow. You'll notice off towards the west, these orange dashed lines, that indicates a trough. And a trough is a dip in the jet stream that can cause some unstable weather, but can also be an indication of cooler air moving in. So it looks like the cold weather is here to stay, at least for the short term. Taking a look at the next map, well, there was a huge snowstorm in western New York at the end of last week. You may have heard of it. Some areas saw over 60 inches of snow. I am 5 feet tall, that's 60 inches, so it's more than a Whitaker worth of snow. Not much of a person, but that's a lot of snowfall. They're still clearing up from that mess. And some areas did see this really cool phenomenon called thunder snow. It's a kind of thunderstorm that happens when there's falling precipitation in the form of snow or other frozen precip. It's considered rare and it's an unusual phenomenon, so people get pretty excited about it when it does happen. And it typically falls in regions of strong upward motion within the cold sector of an extratropical cyclone. Extratropical just means above the tropics. So you have this really big convection going on. It's like dragging your feet across the carpet and then touching metal. It gives a spark, much like how the lightning is created. It's not all that common with snowstorms because that convection action is much less than what you would see in the summertime when we see our typical thunderstorms. All right, let's get to your 5-day forecast for your Tuesday. Look for sunny skies. Highs will be in the mid-40s. That'll feel nice and toasty after the last few days. For your Wednesday, sunny skies continues. Highs will be in the mid-40s. For Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid to upper 40s. For Friday, increasing clouds. Chance of rain late in the day. Highs in the low 50s. And then for Saturday, intervals of clouds and sun. Chance of some showers. Early forecasting data had a much more significant rainstorm coming in. The models have backed way off, so we'll have to keep an eye on that one. But so far, Thanksgiving is looking great. And even though it'll be warmer, there is a chance of rain. My QR code is up if you're interested in following me along on YouTube. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you again next week.